interview. I would request, please go through your resume. Start with an introduction.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. My name is Ram Gopal Krishna, and I recently completed my MBA in the stream of data science from KL University. I have over 1 year of experience as a data analyst internship at KSR Data Vision and Atlic Technologies. I worked extensively with Power BI, SQL, Excel, machine learning basics, and Power BI. And my main goal is transform raw data into visualize the data using Power BI, like data cleaning, data analysis, building interactive dashboards that support data-driven decision making. And I have worked on multiple projects. One of the major project is Business Insights 360 at hardware technologies at Atlet Technologies, where I have collect the data and define the KPIs and give the interactive dashboard to my manager. And I have worked with hospitality analysis along with P&L and a profit and loss statement using Excel dashboards I have created, and that's it.
Okay, Rama. So can you tell me that have you combined the data from multiple sources
Yes,
in
sir,
the
I have
in
come.
Power BI?
Yes, yes.
Can you give me some examples?
For example, I have connected with SQL, Excel, and CSV and JSON files. I have connected
Okay,
through my
so
public.
all of them at once.
Yes, yes, at once.
Okay.
At one project,
And how did you transform your data?
using Power Query, I have to transform the data like removing the null values and merging the data, append the data, and data validation. We have to recheck the data type. We have to using Power Query to create the data transformations in Power BI.
Okay. So I am giving you two tables in your chat.
Okay,
Can you see both tables?
1 second. I'm seeing. Yes, yes.
Yeah, now the question is how you can join these tables, but ensuring that when you join, the output is unique values. There is no duplication.
Second. We have to use inner join matching records. Union we have to use. It is not a join. It is a. We have to use inner join. We have to inner join.
Okay, so you're saying that if we use inner join, then the duplicates will be removed.
Sir, could you please
Okay,
repeat?
so let me rephrase my question. I'm not asking that what type of join you will use. I'm asking, I need to join these tables, and the output should be with the unique values.
We have to use union after inner join. That's inner join. We have to remove the duplicate set.
Okay, so what's your final answer? Union or the inner join?
We have to use inner join. We have not to use union is not a join. It is a kind of
Okay, no problem. Let's move to a different question.
inner join. I think.
Okay. So now coming to Power BI DAX, can you tell me what is calculate?
Calculate the powerful DAX function in Power BI. It changes the context of the filter. For example, we have to calculate the whole sales of the particular region. We have to use equal to calculate. After we have to sum of sales. Region is equal to like we have to based on what the region we have to the that region we have to give the name. We have to get the result calculate. We have to change the
Okay.
filter context.
And can you tell me that can we, with the help of calculate function, Can we ignore the slicer?
No. We have to use all. We have to ignore the slicer.
So all function can you use without calculator?
All from no. Yes. Yes. We have to use to without.
No, no. So do you need calculate for to use all function, or you can use it standalone?
We have to based on requirement. We have to use on based on we have to use calculator all inside of the all.
Okay. And how do you implement YTD and MTD?
YTD is nothing but we have to use year to date, and MTD is nothing but month to date. Year to date we have a function called year to date. We have to function, and the I don't know particular syntax. I remember, but
No, no,
we have
syntax
to
is
use
fine. Syntax is fine, but can you tell me that how does it function?
works. Right. We have to convert year to date. I don't know that but I know that deeper answer of YTD at work in MTD. YTD is nothing but year to date, and MTD is nothing month to date. I know that, but I don't know that particular definition how it works.
No. Now, I'm giving a scenario that we are using time intelligence functions,
Time until.
but our time intelligence functions are getting failed. What could be the reason?
Sir, could you please repeat? Time intelligence
Uh,
function.
function we are using, time intelligence functions we are using,
Okay.
but those functions are getting failed. So what could be the reason?
The time functions will not worked up,
They are not, they are getting failed.
failed.
Yeah, yeah. What could be the reason?
We have to use our date time, like the particular column is data related, like we have to convert date to time or date to year. We have to convert the particular column like date and time. After we have
So
to use
date column is already there. We have a
the
column, let's suppose delivery date. That is there.
okay.
But still, when I'm using any kind of time intelligence function, they are getting failed. What could be the reason?
We have to I don't know what kind of errors the delivery date will be date function, right? Date time only, like
That is already there.
date type. We have to use particular kind of DAX functions like same period last year.
No, that's the scenario. We are using these DAX same period last year, whatever the time intelligence function but
Yes,
that's not working. This is what the question is.
that's not
Why is it failing?
uh, we have to check our model like data modeling, right? Relationships.
Okay,
Uh,
so now I am asking you, uh, what kind of relationship is the most important for the time intelligence function?
one to many is the most today most one. It is the important of the DAX function.
Okay, now let's move to SQL. Can you write the logic for top three customer per region? You can share your screen first, and you
First,
can write the code in the chat box.
I think my screen is visible.
Yes, yes. So write logic for top three customers per region.
You also add region, right, sir?
Yeah.
So this is a point.
Can you drop this code in the chat box? And can you tell me one use case for the window function?
Window functions we have to use without using group by functions. It is using for we have to give the rankings like using rank, dense rank, row number, lead, lag. We have to use in window functions.
Can you write any code using window function?
Window functions we have to use. I need to write the query.
Yes, write any query.
Sir, some syntax error. I think it is syntaxes is something. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah. Okay, so next question for you. In Python, what is pandas?
Pandas is a data analysis library where we have to create data analysis like using pandas, like data manipulation, data extraction. We have to use pandas.
Okay, and by using pandas, how would you filter data? If I'm giving you a situation, filter where the salary is greater than 10,000.
greater than or equal to 10,000.
Okay. Next question is related to Power BI report. So let's suppose your Power BI report is working very slow.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. So your Power BI report is working very slow. How would you optimize the speed?
First, we have to using performance analyzer where our visualizers are taking too much. And what kind of steps we have to use? We have to remove the unwanted columns and unwanted tables. We have to unload the using Power Query. We have to unload the tables and using star schema instead of snowflake schema. We have to removing of unwanted columns and unwanted tables along with we have to use we have to use small amount of visualization on page report. After we have to use some calculated function. We have to take more memory in the power data model. We have to decrease the data model. We have to use measures mostly. That is, we have to optimize our Power BI report.
That's it from.
Your voice is
I
not
will.
audible.
Yeah. So that is it from my side, Rama. I will give your feedback to the recruiter and they will get back to you.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Is it
Thank you, Rama.
okay? Okay, thank you, sir.